These bikes heavy enough. Let me rest them down here in the garage.
I see you get back. What take you so long? You just can't go away and don't see someone, you know? You got everything we need to put down for the hurricane season?
Yes, Mom. I put them all in the garage.
I hear packing our grab bag.
What you say you grabbing?
It's a bag of things to take to the shelter if we are told to evacuate during the hurricane season. We got to be prepared.
What's in our emergency grab bag?
Important things like our IDs, birth certificates, house insurance policy, a flashlight, batteries, first aid kit, hand soap and masks.
Tell me something. Where are you putting this bag? Because you know you're forgetful.
In the garage, next to the hurricane supplies you bought this morning. You for real? What is this? Look at all this food here. You think we need to feed the whole of the street and the garrison too? Cheese on burger. What is that, Ivar?
A cow for fresh milk.